The new Maruti Baleno 2022 was launched in India last month with new design and updated creature comfort features. The new Baleno also comes with some class-leading features that include 6 airbags. The new Gen Baleno has already recorded over 25,000 bookings so far and it's rapidly growing. Now, our first reported crash of the 2022 Baleno is now surfacing online, shared via Rushline Facebook group. The incident took place earlier today in Guwahati. This new 2022 Baleno was getting ready to be delivered to its respective owner today and was parked outside Bimal Nexa in Guwahati. But before the car could be delivered, a Tata 407 ambulance crashed into the Baleno from the rear. This impact caused the Baleno to move forward and further damaging the front too. Luckily, no one was injured in this incident. Compared to the previous Maruti Baleno, the 2022 model is heavier by 50 to 70 kilograms. As per the official details, the 50% of the added weight, that's approximately 25 to 35 kilograms of the added weight, goes to reinforce the chassis with high strength steel. Of the remaining 50%, a 25% goes towards the new features that weren't available in the previous model, like additional 4 airbags for the higher trims, 360 view camera, a large infotainment unit, rear AC vents, cruise control and a self-centering steering wheel. And the final 25% of the additional weight went towards improving the suspension system, and that really paid well in the new Baleno, which now gets better ride comfort comparing to the previous one. As I said before, the 50%, that is 25 to 35 kg approx, only goes towards the chassis improvement. So the doors and other sheet metal looks more or less same to the previous one. Also, personally I didn't find any noticeable difference in terms of door weight and sheet metal thickness. But on the other hand, the new Baleno's stronger chassis will give it a better crash test rating, so at least the safety conscious buyers will have nothing to worry about this crash. See you soon. Thanks for watching.